Once again, welcome to all of you. In the previous session or in the previous video, we have seen how we insert chart in MS Excel software. What are the components or elements of chart like chart title, chart area, plot area, legend, axes, etc. In this session, we will see the types of chart or how we can change the type of existing chart. Let's start. See here, once you select the chart, you will get chart tools. In the chart tool, there are three tabs: design tab, layout tab and format tab. Some options we have discussed already in the previous video like chart title, axis title, legend, data labels, axis, grid line, plot area, etc. These many topics we have discussed in the previous video. Once you select the design, or if you want to change the design of this existing chart, you go to the design tab. From there, you have to select change chart type option from the type group. So this is the group name, this is a tab name, and this one is a option. Once you click on the change type chart type option, now change chart type dialog box will appear in your screen. There is lots of charts, either column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, scatter chart, stock chart, surface chart, donut chart, bubble chart, radar chart. So these many charts are available in the Excel software. Now this time it is a column chart. This is a column chart. Suppose you want to change this chart to a line chart. Select the line chart and which type of line chart you want to change. Make first line with markers, second is stacked line with markers like this. Suppose you want to select second one, click this one, select it and then click OK button. Now see the changes. The existing chart change in like a line chart. Suppose same type you want to same chart or data you want to change with another chart type. Again go to the change chart type option. From there you have to select pie chart. Now so many pie charts are available. Select any one of them, select it and then click OK. Now see the changes. So in this manner you can change the type of chart with the existing chart. Is it clear? Now once you deselect the chart, your data is also deselected. Once you select the chart, your data is also selected and three tabs like design tab, layout tab and format tab will appear in your screen. Is it clear? Now let us talk about column chart. First chart name is column chart. So now we are discussing about the types of chart. So first chart name is column chart. A column chart is used to compare the values of two or more items in different categories. Is it clear? In this case, categories are organized horizontally. So these are the categories: quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. These are the categories. So categories are organized in a horizontal way, whereas values are placed in a vertical manner. So these are the values like 500, 1000, 1500, 2000 like this. So sales in lakh, this is the value. Values are represented in a vertical manner, whereas categories are organized in an horizontal manner. Is it clear? Column charts have different or various subtypes like cylinder, cone or pyramid chart. How can you see? Go to the change chart type option. Now see here, its name is column, simple column chart. Now second one is clustered cylinder. This one is cylinder type. Next one is 3D cone, cone type. All these comes under column chart. Column chart, simple column, then cylindrical, then cone type, and then here this is called pyramid. So if you want to select pyramid, stack pyramid, select this and click OK. Now this is look like this. And similarly, if you want to change it into column cone manner, select the cone chart, see the cone chart. Now see the changes. Is it clear? Next is line chart. A line chart represents the changing trends of the data at equal interval. Now how will you change this cone chart to the line chart? Again go to the change chart type. From here you select line chart and select it. Any type of line, then click on OK. Now it will show like this. So it represents the changing trends of data at equal intervals. Is it clear? Next is pie chart. Pie chart is used when you have only one data series that you want to plot. That time you have to use pie chart. When you have more than one data series, then only you have to use donut chart. This is the major difference between pie chart and donut chart. Now see here, both the charts are available in the change chart type option. Pie chart, is it like this? Click OK. Now its symbol is like this. And suppose that you want to make a place donut chart, select donut chart and click on OK. Now see, this time we have multiple data series. So for multiple data series, we will use donut chart instead of pie chart. Is it clear? Both look like same. Next chart name is bar chart. A bar chart also illustrates comparison among individual items. Here, categories are organized vertically and values are organized in horizontally. Means that it is same as column chart, but look wise different. See the difference. In a column chart, categories are placed in a horizontal way or values are placed in a vertical way. Similarly, when you select your bar chart, now see the changes. Here, values placed in a horizontal way, whereas categories placed in a vertical way. So it is something look wise different, but remaining things are same. I hope you understand these many types of chart. For I explained, first chart is column chart, second is line chart, third pie chart, fourth is bar chart, fifth one is donut chart. These many charts I explained. I hope you all understand about this. If you have any doubt, confusion, please ask in any way. Okay. Next topic is how to change the format. For this, first I will select column chart because this is very easy to understand. Column chart, and then you have to go in the format tab under the chart tool category. In the chart tool category, go to the select the format tab. Once you select the format tab, you will see lots of options are present here. Is it clear? Suppose that you want to change the background of plot area. Simply you have to select plot area. So this time I have selected plot area. Go to the save style option. Now see the changes. Once I hover the mouse cursor at any option, it will affect the chart. You see here. See the changes. Is it clear? Suppose you want to change the shape effect you want to change, you go to the shape effect option, select shadow and see the shadow like this. Clear? Many options are present in this format. So according to your choice, you can choose any type of option and make change. Like suppose you want to change the background of chart area. So first you select the chart area and then go to the save fill option. You can fill either from the color like this or more fill color option. If you select more fill color option, you will get more colors. In custom there are lots of colors. You choose from here, then click on OK. See the changes. Control Z, and then suppose you want to fill any picture in its background. So go to the picture, then select any picture is here like this. Select this picture and then click on insert button. Now see the changes. Here now picture is inserted in its background. Or suppose you want to insert texture or gradient, you can insert also texture like this. From the word art style group, you can change the style of text which is written on the chart like this. There are lots of options. Suppose that you select first one, see the changes. Now see the changes of the text which is written on the chart. Suppose you want to do like this, is it clear? Similarly, you can change its fill color option, then text outline, text effect, etc. Many options are present. According to your choice, you can make change in the chart. Is it clear? So that's all for today. Today's session we have discussed about the types of chart and then how to change the format of the chart, how we can change one chart means existing chart to another chart type. If you have any confusion, doubt, please ask to me. Thank you class.